YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here. So you guys see we're just leaving Walgreens, and in this video I want to talk about a mistake that has cost me $5,000. So without further ado, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'm pretty much gonna just be talking the entire time, so let's get into the video. All right, so I am driving a stick shift car. So if you guys, see me wobbling and trying to catch, my gears, just know that I'm driving stick shift. So anyways, the mistake that has cost me $5,000, right? So right now, I actually just left Target and Walgreens because my printer, for some reason, it started acting crazy today. So I had to go ahead and return it, and thankfully I was able to do so and exchange it. And then I also went to Walgreens and got these postal stamps. Where they at? Got some postal stamps right there, bam. Because we got to mail in to the IRS. So this video is not by any means any financial advice. This is just my mistakes and what I did, so you can, avoid, making these types of mistakes for your business and for your own personal self, right? So I actually parked up, so now I can concentrate on what I'm trying to tell you guys. So like I said, this mistake has cost me $5,000, right? So I've been in business for about, let me just give you guys an overview. I've been in business for about 2 years, right? And this is like LLC, like legally, right? And my first year, I didn't really file the taxes and stuff like that. And I didn't know how, like, I still don't know how, right? So, what I did to, help the process and everything like that for myself was I just recently hired an accountant, right? And the reason for that is because I'm making mistakes. Like, this $5,000 mistake right here is not something I want to keep, happening, repeating, right? So I just feel like if you hire a professional, then you don't have to worry about certain things in your business, and you can focus on what really matters, and that's marketing, your customers and stuff like that, right? I'm not saying that the financial part isn't important, right? Because it's very important, but it's not something that me personally I'm good at. You might be a numbers person, you might be good at, accounting and bookkeeping, all that good stuff. But when you have an actual professional that's dedicated their entire life to just doing that, then your life is just become a lot easier and a lot less stressful, right? So I've had the accountant for like 2 to 3 weeks, and just seeing their updated workflow on my QuickBooks and just seeing what they're doing is a huge difference compared to what I was doing, a newbie that has no idea or any clue of accounting. So that's the first thing I want to talk about. If you don't have an accountant or anything like that, don't stress, just keep doing what you're doing, but just know that you will make mistakes and it will cost you money, but you'll just, learn from that. And then when you're able to hire an accountant, then you'll be able to freaking afford one, right? So I was paying sales and use tax, right, on my business, right? And I'm a service-based business. I'm not a retail. I don't charge my clients sales tax. I don't charge them a tax on top of the, detailing service price, right? So that's my mistake right there. So I was getting these letters in the mail and stuff like that. I guess I, incorporated or signed my business up under the wrong entity or the wrong, I don't know what I'm trying to, say, because I don't even know what it's called. But I guess the category of my business wasn't, filed correctly. So what I did was I went ahead and filed my business under a sales and retail business. So I was getting these letters in the mail, and they were like $200 payments. If you don't pay, there's a $50 penalty. And I'm just like, damn, like, what is going on? I've been in business for a few, months, years, and I'm already, getting all these penalties and stuff like that. So I'm just getting letters in the mail, and me just being, worried and just fearful, honestly, of the IRS coming after me. I go ahead and start making these payments on a monthly basis to these accounts, and the total turned out to be like 5,000. And I told my accountant, right? I spoke to her. I was like, hey, like, I've been paying these sales and retail taxes. Is that something that's, required? Am I supposed to be doing this? And she was like, mobile car washes and stuff like that are not, retail or sales tax businesses, right? All they're, doing is services, right? So we're a service-based business, so we aren't required to pay sales tax. So I was just like, man, and I just been stressed, man. I just honestly been stressed, and that's probably why I've been slacking with these YouTube videos, because $5,000, that's a lot of money. And I kind of just basically threw it out the window. And I could have used that all that money for something completely different other than throwing it out the window. So what I'm in the process of doing now is, that's why I got the printer. So I'm printing out all my forms, the receipts, invoices, and I spoke to them already, and they told me I have to mail some stuff in, which is why I got the postal stamps. So that's kind of just what's been going on behind the scenes. Now, this isn't like financial advice. I'm not telling you guys, buy or get an accountant as soon as possible, but it's definitely something that I wish I would have done, even though it's kind of pricey, but it's definitely saving you a lot of time, a lot of headaches and stuff like that, so you're able to file your taxes correctly. So that's what has cost me $5,000, you guys. Now, business is business, like, I'm just learning as I'm going. I never really had any other business, right, besides doing like little stuff, like maybe selling like stuff on Facebook, or but that's not actually a business that you gotta pay taxes on and stuff like that. So it's just very, very eye-opening. It's just showing me that I really don't know everything, right? And you might not know everything either. So I just need you guys to learn from my mistakes. Just know and learn that you're gonna continue making mistakes no matter how much or what you think you may know, right? We're limited to time, resources, and energy, so we can only focus on what really matters. And as a detailer, as a detailing business owner, all that really matters is my customers, getting more customers, and my employees, and making sure that we're making enough revenue to support everybody's lifestyle. So yeah, the accountant just running numbers, stuff like that. We create the work, make the work, create clients, attract clients and stuff like that. But yeah, it's kind of like eye-opening, Now, I don't really have much else to say, so I'm just uploading this video as it is. I do appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you have any questions, any concerns, any advice for me, comment down below. And like I said, this is not any financial advice. I have no experience or anything like that, so take what I'm saying with a grain of salt and just learn from my mistakes. So this is just a document. I'm not really trying to flex or, oh my god, 5,000. Like, nah, like I'm really mad. I'm really pissed about this situation. So yeah, man, just keep on grinding, keep on hustling, man. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hustle never settle. Let's go.